everyone! Magluluto po tayo ng salmon patties. So let's start. Here we have can of salmon, carrots and onions, ang ating eggs, baking powder, chickpea breadcrumbs. So let's start. So I'm gonna use food processor. Unahin natin ang carrots at ang ating onion. It should be finely chopped. So just mix all up together. The salmon should be drained. Ang ating eggs. By the way, I double the recipe and just check on the description box below for exact measurements at ang ating ingredients. Ang ating baking powder. Chickpea breadcrumbs, ang ating asin, salt, blend po natin until well combined using pulse method. If too loose, we can add some more breadcrumbs, but I think it's just fine. So ipa-fry po natin and I'm gonna use avocado oil. Pwede rin natin ilagay sa oven, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit by using a cupcake molder. I-form natin into a burger. Medium heat lang po ang ating apoy para hindi masunog. Fry natin until golden brown. Flip po natin and we'll cook on the other side. Ito po ang lunch natin. You can serve with salad. Yes, salad is perfect. And you can choose tartar sauce for the dipping. But I don't have available tartar sauce, so it's fine. May lasa naman ito. Kain muna while it's hot. yummy. Hindi na tayo uupo kasi may niloloto pa. Please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.